Hey there, curious minds. Before we dive into today's creepy crawly adventure, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon, and smash that like button if you've ever looked down a drain and thought, what's living down there? Today, we're talking about drain moths. Yes, those tiny, fluttery insects you might have noticed around your bathroom or kitchen sink. They may seem annoying or even gross at first glance, but stick around because these little creatures are actually fascinating, and some of their habits are downright mind-blowing. By the end of this video, you might just start seeing drain moths in a whole new light. 1. Drain moths are not just dirty bugs. First things first. Drain moths, also called sink or drain flies, are often associated with dirt and grime. But here's the truth. They're actually nature's recyclers. These moths feed on organic matter, like food debris, grease, and decaying material in your drains. In a way, they're cleaning up the environment in their own tiny, icky way. Instead of being gross, think of them as miniature sanitation workers. Sure, they're not wearing a uniform, but their heart is in the right place. 2. They have incredible life cycles. Drain moths have a surprisingly interesting life cycle. From egg to larvae to adult, it only takes about 7 to 10 days in ideal conditions. That's right, these tiny bugs grow fast, reproduce quickly, and continue their little drain cleaning mission. The larvae are especially fascinating. They thrive in moist, organic-rich environments, and in the process, they help break down decaying material, making nutrients available for bacteria, which in turn supports a tiny ecosystem in your sink. Who knew your drain was so lively? 3. They're tiny but mighty flyers. Adult drain moths may be small, but they're excellent flyers. They have rapid, erratic wing movements, which allow them to hover near drains and sink areas with ease. Watching them in action is like observing tiny helicopters with a mind of their own. 4. Drain moths are everywhere. You might think drain moths are rare, but they're actually found worldwide. From your local kitchen sink to remote tropical regions, these moths adapt to many environments. They're survivors, small but tenacious, thriving wherever they can find organic matter and moisture. 5. They're masters of camouflage. Drain moths may be tiny, but they are masters of camouflage. Their mottled gray-brown wings allow them to blend into drains, pipes, and bathroom corners. This makes them hard to spot until you see a few fluttering around. It's almost like they're playing hide-and-seek with you, and they're very good at it. 6. Drain moths can be useful. Yes, we said useful. While they might seem like pests, drain moths are important decomposers. Without them, organic matter could accumulate faster, leading to clogs and bacterial growth. They also serve as a food source for other insects and small predators, keeping the ecosystem balanced. So, next time you see a drain moth, remember, they're not just freeloaders, they're tiny workers keeping your household ecosystems in check. 7. They can multiply quickly. Drain moths reproduce fast. Females lay hundreds of eggs at a time, often right in the drain. This is why infestations can happen seemingly overnight. Their fast reproduction is part of why they're so successful as a species. But don't panic. Proper sanitation, like cleaning drains and removing organic buildup, can help manage their populations without harming them unnecessarily. 8. They're mostly harmless to humans. Here's some good news. Drain moths are mostly harmless to humans. They don't bite, sting, or transmit serious diseases. While they might be annoying when they appear in swarms, they're not dangerous. Their presence is more a sign of damp organic matter than a health threat. 9. They have surprising flight patterns. Have you ever noticed how drain moths hover, dart, and zigzag unpredictably? This erratic flight helps them avoid predators and locate mates. Watching them move is oddly mesmerizing, like tiny dancers performing a delicate ballet around your sink. 10. They're a reminder of nature's complexity. Drain moths may be small, overlooked, and often unwanted, but they're a reminder that nature exists everywhere, even in our sinks. Their ability to survive, adapt, and play a small role in decomposition shows that even the tiniest creatures are part of a bigger picture. Instead of seeing them as pests, try seeing them as miniature eco-warriors doing their job in the shadows. Drain moths might seem annoying at first, but once you understand them, you can't help but admire their resilience, adaptability, and ecological importance. They're tiny, misunderstood heroes of the microbial world, quietly keeping things in balance. If you enjoyed these fascinating facts about drain moths, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon for more amazing insect facts, and drop a comment below. Have you ever noticed drain moths in your home? Did any of these facts surprise you? Next time you see a tiny moth hovering near your sink, remember, it's not just a bug. It's a remarkable little creature, doing its small but mighty part in the ecosystem. And maybe, just maybe, it deserves a little respect, or at least a chuckle.